Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about the Domus line Capsens sensor. Now you might think there's nothing particularly exciting about a sensor for LED lighting, but here at Fit, we disagree. Fit's LED lighting and accompanying sensors and accessories are from Domus line of Italy, and naturally they're all approved for the New Zealand market. Something you should really check before you choose any LED lighting. The Capsens has great design features as well. For instance, this sensor operates at both 12 and 24 volt DC. It's designed to be recessed and concealed behind most non-metallic materials, including wood, plastic, glass, and many other transparent or opaque materials. So it's invisible once installed. It will operate through 30mm for wood, 12mm for glass, and 20mm for plastic. It's operated by lightly touching the surface of the material over the sensor and has an activation area of around about 50mm. Capsens work like a dimmer too. You can adjust the intensity of the connected LED lights by holding your finger on the activation area, and the brightness level you settle on is memorized until the next adjustment. So lights automatically turn on at the last used luminosity level. Ideal for showrooms and the likes. Capsens automatically turns off after approximately 18 hours. It comes with a 2 meter long power cable and a distributor block.